the support that I got from Dr. Pitello, from the team, from Angelica, from Gina, from Noemi was my nurse at that time, from everybody here was just amazing. So you can make as many excuses as you want, but if you really want to do it, there's a way to do it. I'm not gonna say that it's an easy way. You have to still put on yourself. You still have to have this discipline to do it. But the results are just amazing. Not in my wildest dreams I'll ever have imagined that I have lose 82 pounds, almost 14 inches of my waist. Go down from a extra large shirt to being able to buy shirts in like regular people does, pants like regular people does. My belts are going down like crazy, and I just feel great. My kids I didn't know that they were so worried about me, about my health. They're really happy now. My wife is really happy. My mom and my dad, before they passed, they were able to see me with 60 pounds down.